Good morning, students. Today's topic is rational numbers, that is for class 8th first chapter, and today we are going to have the introduction of rational numbers. And before we start the rational numbers, we should know what do you mean by whole numbers, what are natural numbers, and what are integers. All these three kinds of categories of number we have studied till now. So what are whole numbers? The numbers which define from 0 to infinity are called whole numbers. Similarly, natural numbers, numbers which lie between 1 to infinity, and 1 and infinity are included in that, and the integers minus infinity to infinity. So these are called whole numbers, natural numbers, and integers. Now let's start discussing about the term rational number. So basically, rational number, the simple definition is any number which can be written in the form of p by q. Any number which can be written in the form of p by q, just like the fractions. And the condition here is the denominator. Here the denominator is q. The q should not be equal to 0. The denominator should not be equal to 0. And the examples are, that is 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5. You can include the negative number as well. 6. Is 6 a rational number? Is it in the form of p by q? Yes, it is in the form of p by q, because we can write it as 6 by 1. And the condition is that the denominator should not be equal to 0. That is here. And why? Because, for example, if we take 3 by 0, 3 divided by 0, if the denominator, if the 0 is in the denominator, then it becomes infinite number. It becomes infinite, which is not defined. So this is the condition, this is the criteria, that the denominator should not be equal to 0. So the basic definition of rational numbers is that any number which can be written in the form of p by q and the denominator should not be equal to 0. Now let's find some rational numbers. For example, if we have to find rational number between minus 2 and 2. So what are the rational numbers? There are a lot of rational numbers. If we have to find any two rational number between these, so what are these? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So these three are the rational numbers between minus 2 and 2. So there's a homework for you. The homework is you have to find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 7 and 4 by 9. So this is the homework for you, and in the next video we will start discussing about the properties of rational number. Thank you.